As we age, our bodies naturally begin to lose muscle mass. This isn't just about appearance, it affects strength, balance, and independence. Everyday tasks like climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or even standing up from a chair can become more challenging. But here's the good news: muscle loss is not inevitable. With the right approach, seniors can preserve, maintain, and even build new muscle well into their 70s, 80s, and beyond. Maintaining muscle after 65 isn't just about fitness, it's about staying independent, improving mobility, and enhancing overall quality of life. Today, we're diving deep into 4 powerful strategies to maintain muscle mass after 65. Each one is backed by research and real-life examples of seniors who have transformed their strength, energy, and mobility. We'll go over practical tips, ways to implement these habits, and small changes that can lead to lasting results. If you want to take this further, don't forget there's a free PDF on our website summarizing all these strategies. You can also join our private senior health community, where seniors connect, share tips, and get guidance for staying strong and healthy. Protein is extremely important for muscle mass. And as we age, our muscles don't respond to protein as efficiently as they once did. This is known as anabolic resistance. Simply put, your body needs a stronger signal to build and maintain muscle compared to when you were younger. That means a protein intake that used to be sufficient may no longer be enough. Take Margaret, 68, a retired hairdresser. For years, she thought a small bowl of cereal in the morning and a sandwich for lunch was fine. But over time, she noticed her energy dwindling, stairs became harder, and she started losing strength. Once she started spreading protein evenly across meals like eggs and Greek yogurt in the morning, a lentil and chicken salad at lunch, and salmon or tofu at dinner, her strength and stamina improved dramatically. It's not just about quantity, timing matters too. Spreading protein intake throughout the day ensures muscles can absorb it efficiently. Small snacks, such as a handful of almonds or a protein shake between meals, can make a noticeable difference. For vegetarians and vegans, combining plant-based proteins is key. Beans, lentils, nuts, seeds, and whole grains can all be paired to provide the complete set of essential amino acids needed for muscle maintenance. Margaret also discovered that adding a scoop of pea protein to her morning smoothie helped her feel fuller and more energetic. Along with protein, strong muscles also require resistance training. Muscle fibers respond to stress. When we challenge them with resistance, whether through weights, bands, or body weight exercises, the fibers repair themselves and grow stronger. This process, called hypertrophy, is essential for maintaining muscle after 65. Robert, 72, a retired engineer, was initially intimidated. He had never used resistance bands or dumbbells and worried about injury. He started with 15 minutes at home 3 times a week, doing simple exercises like squats, bicep curls with light weights, and resistance band rows. Over time, he noticed small but meaningful changes. He could lift grocery bags more easily, climb stairs without huffing, and even stand from a chair without using his hands. Consistency is more important than intensity. For most seniors, 20-30 minutes of resistance training 3 times a week is sufficient. Start slowly, prioritize proper form, and gradually increase intensity. Avoid rushing or overexerting your muscles. Grow stronger when stressed, carefully, not overwhelmed. Fun matters too. Gardening, dancing, or carrying laundry baskets with intention counts as resistance training. Integrating movement into enjoyable activities increases the likelihood of consistency. Tracking progress, celebrating small milestones, and finding a workout buddy can also make the journey more engaging. Mini caution: always warm up before starting and listen to your body. If a joint or muscle hurts unusually, rest and consult a professional. Strength is only useful when gained safely. Muscles repair and grow strongest during deep sleep, when the body releases growth hormone and other repair mechanisms are in full swing. Without enough restorative sleep, your muscles don't recover properly, inflammation increases, and strength gains from exercise can be diminished. Eleanor, 70, had struggled with insomnia for years. She often stayed up late, tossing and turning, and woke multiple times during the night. For a long time, she thought her fatigue and muscle soreness were just a natural part of aging. But when she started prioritizing sleep, the difference was remarkable. She created a bedtime routine, dimming the lights, doing 10 minutes of gentle stretching, listening to calming music, and avoiding screens an hour before bed. Within a few weeks, she slept 7-8 solid hours most nights. The results were clear. Eleanor woke up with less stiffness, had more energy to engage in her resistance training, and noticed her muscles responded faster to her exercises. Her balance improved too, making daily activities safer. Sleep isn't just about quantity. Quality matters too. Deep, uninterrupted sleep is what allows the body to rebuild muscle fibers, repair tiny tissue damage, and restore energy levels. Practical tips for better sleep include keeping the bedroom cool and dark, sticking to a consistent sleep schedule, avoiding caffeine late in the day, incorporating relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation, and limiting alcohol, which can disrupt restorative sleep cycles. Even short daytime naps of 20-30 minutes can help compensate for occasional poor nights, but should not replace a full night's rest. Science also shows that poor sleep increases cortisol, a stress hormone that can break down muscle tissue over time. By prioritizing quality sleep, seniors support muscle recovery, reduce inflammation, and improve cognitive function, allowing every other effort, from exercise to daily movement, to be more effective. Maintaining functional strength is just as critical as formal workouts. Muscles need to be used in real-life activities, lifting, bending, carrying, and balancing, to stay strong and responsive. Sitting all day, even if you exercise occasionally, can lead to gradual strength loss and stiffness. George, 75, makes movement part of every day. He carries groceries with both hands, takes the stairs instead of the elevator, and spends 15-20 minutes gardening each morning. He doesn't think of these activities as exercise, but over time, they've helped him stay strong, flexible, and independent. Simple adjustments like standing while folding laundry, walking briskly to the mailbox, or doing a few squats during commercial breaks all add up. The beauty of everyday movement is that it blends strength, flexibility, and balance in natural ways. Repetitive motions like bending to pick up items, stretching to reach a shelf, or walking on uneven surfaces challenge muscles in ways machines often don't. These movements reduce the risk of falls, improve joint health, and reinforce neural connections that help your body move safely and efficiently. Practical tips include setting a timer to remind yourself to stand or move every hour, carrying out activities deliberately rather than rushing through them, and choosing enjoyable tasks that get your body moving, like gardening, dancing, or light housework. Over time, these small intentional habits compound into noticeable strength gains, better balance, and improved energy throughout the day. Maintaining muscle after 65 is about staying active, independent, and feeling your best every day. Simple, consistent steps like strength exercises, moving throughout the day, eating enough protein, and prioritizing sleep can have a big impact over time. For extra guidance, our senior health community and free PDF guide provide practical tips to help you get started today. Strong muscles mean more confidence, freedom, and energy to enjoy life fully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one and beyond.